So this is a gas tank out of my '89 Merkur xr4ti, and it's rusty. So we're gonna shine a light in the gas tank to kind of show what the rust looks like and see if we can get rid of it. So you can see it's got those baffles, and it's got some rust, but it hasn't eaten through the tank, which is good. And let's see if I can shine it this way. So yeah, we'll see what this looks like. So I got the gas tank percolating right now with a secret mixture, but you can see where right there the phosphorus acid, it's basically bathroom cleaner, is taking out that. So what I'm going to do as a test is just put some on this part of the rust and see what it looks like and see if my mix is good. So I'm swishing it out right now. So I've got the clamp on, and right now it's running about 6 gallons per minute at about 3,000 pounds of pressure. Fill that up, do it again a few more times, see what happens. But this stuff cleaned up good. So if that cleaned up good, that means the inside looks good. So now I've got the second wave is cleaning out the degreaser. So I think this will be a great test. Now I'm just flushing it out, and it's done. Drain it, dry it, inspect it. And here's the inside of the tank, and looking good. There, you can look back there, and that's just nothing compared to what it was. And then you can see painted it, re-glued that strap in there, and so that thing's looking good. So yeah, I had bought a sealer for it, but it doesn't need it. It looks really good. And then here's the bottom of the tank. So this would be facing towards the street. You can see the straps right there. So gave that a couple of coats of paint. So here's an abundance of caution. I've got the hair dryer in here after I cleaned it all out with the air hose, and then just trying to get it as dry as possible, and that'll help with the inside of the tank.